So here we are out before the huge storm in New England, and we're just handing out these and saying God bless, trying to make somebody's day brighter.
Bye. Or the dad, whichever one you can get. I'm scared.
What is it? Very good, thank you.
Go. Be safe in the storm, and God bless you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Turn it. Alright, just give it to her.
Video said sorry. It's okay.
The next thing they're doing.
Thank you.
Have a good night, brother. Message we're doing. Amen.
Excuse me. I just wanted to give this to you. This is warning.
God bless you. Thank you. Have a nice
Have a good night, miss. Amen. What's up, dude? We're spreading awareness, and I want to give you this too. This is a card that goes sending out the message. Have a good night, you guys. This is the next message we're producing. Thank you. Have a good night, brother.
We're going to be giving out this one to this lady that we see on the sidewalk.
Where'd it go? Thank you so much.
Be safe in the spider. God bless you.